Today we're going to cook sausage and mushroom rice. You can use rice or spaghetti. Today I'm going to use rice as my daughter loves rice. We also use onion and tomato. We start by putting some oil in fry pan and we cut the onion in small pieces. Frying the onion, we put fire medium high. We start boiling water. Next we start chop the mushroom in small pieces. Once the onion start cooking, we add the mushroom. Now from the sausage we start taking out the skin and we use only the inside. We add some salt, adjust the salt as your taste. We wait that the mushroom will be cooked. Once the water is boiling, we add some salt and rice. Now we wait that the rice will cook. Now that the mushroom have cooked quite good, we can add the sausage. And we start break down the sausage. Now we start cutting some tomato in small pieces and we will add at a later stage. Once the mushroom and sausage are cooked, we can add the fresh tomato. Once rice is ready, we can drop the rice in the mushroom, sausage and tomato. And we can mix together. Now we can enjoy our mushroom, sausage and fresh tomato, rice, and we add some parsley. Enjoy your meal!